Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest for the first time today. We will manifest money and luck sa inyong Tagalog reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, the reason why gagawa ka ng money and luck reading today kasi kanina nag-walking ako and habang naglalakad-lakad at nagmumuni-muni, biglang sumagi sa isip ko na gawan ko kaya ng reading about money and luck. Yung aking OMSIMs, aking mga subscribers, supporters, and mga soon-to-be subscribers and supporters na rin. Kaya ito na siya. Kasi nung pauwi na ako, naging decided na kami, sige, go na. So, I hope mag-resonate to. And if mag-resonate siya, sana supportahan ninyo ang channel ko by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. Saka sa mga bago, subscribe na po kayo. Okay, and sana supportahan ninyo itong channel. Share nyo na rin itong video sa mga kilala ninyo. And comment na rin sa baba to claim and manifest the energy, lalo na kung very positive siya. Okay. So, tingnan natin ang masasagot ko sa collective. So, this is a collective reading. Okay. Right? So, it may or may not resonate with everyone. Okay. And tingnan natin mamaya kung doon sa isang deck, kung sinong sign ang most likely pinaka-mag-resonate itong reading na to. Alright? So, sana supportahan niyo po talaga para mag-grow yung channel ko. And kung magustuhan niyo itong reading na to about money and love, i-like niyo siya. Kung mataas ang engagement, like maraming views, maraming likes, mataas ang engagement, comments, okay? Tingnan natin, baka may singit natin na makagawa ng money and luck reading dito sa aking channel. Okay? So, bubunot ako ng dalawang cards from this deck that will be the overall energy ng reading na to. Okay? I will get the third card dahil March ngayon. So, first card, Oak. And the second card, Verlaine. Okay. So, si Oak is a card of wealth. Okay? And patience. While Vervain, okay, is a card of inspiration and intention. So, nakikita ko dito, now, Oak is wealth. So, it's a very good sign, meaning magiging abundant ang finances ninyo. When it comes to money and luck, medyo may swerteng paparating, lalo na sa mga bagay na tangible about things na we possess. So it's and well, mostly it's money because this is money in luck reading. Pero ang nakukuha ko ng energy dito is not just the money itself, but some possessions, all right, and some opportunities. Pero dito, it requires, like Oak, as I mentioned earlier, is a card of wealth and patience. It requires patience. Hindi siya yung minabadali. Hindi siya yung parang, drastic na bigla may mahuhulog na pera from the sky. Hindi ganon, okay? And hindi rin yung parang biglang may makakaiwan ng isang maletang okay, bills, tapos mapupulot nyo siya. Hindi ganun. It requires patience. It means na um, slowly but surely yung growth mangyayari. Okay? And it requires yun nga, inspiration and intention as the verb and card. Uh, Yun yung energy niya. Meaning na kailangan nyo rin siyang paghirapan. Okay? Hindi nyo ma-achieve yung wealth na yun kung wala yung inspiration and intention or yung um, yun nga, intention na ma-achieve yun, na makuha yun. What I can see here is kailangan ng sipag at syaga. Yung patience, di ba? Hindi siya yung one time or right on the spot na darating yung pera or yung swerte. Okay? Kailangan siyang pagtrabahuan, kailangan ng patience. So if you're in this career na nag, nagpo-provide sa inyo ng finances, so continue doing it, okay? It will lead to a promotion, for example, or if you opened up a business, it would lead to um, more opportunities, more sales, more revenues, okay? And if it's something din na parang pinag-iipunan ninyo, so tuloy-tuloy lang sa pag-iipon para ma-achieve nyo yung bagay na gusto nyong makuha. So dito kasi it's really not all about money, but things na tangible din, something mga possession na iniingin nyo. Okay, so Oak and Verven, again, it's a card of wealth, patience, inspiration, and intention. Okay? Tignan natin yung detalye ng energy na to using this tarot. Okay? At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng subscribers, sa lahat ng OMSIs, na patuloy na sumusuporta dito sa akin channel. Please continue liking this video at may mga susunod pa para mag-grow ang aking channel. At sa mga bago, sana supportan niyo po. Subscribe na po kayo para updated din kayo sa mga susunod ko pa readings like this. Okay? Lalo na minsan bigla lang talaga ako may maiisip na, ay, ito kaya yung gawin kong reading today. Okay? So, kung subscribe kayo, updated kayo sa mga post. And kung hindi ito mag-resonate, for example, since this is a collective reading, baka yung mga susunod kong reading ay mag-resonate. Diba? Okay. Sige, bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this deck. Okay? And tingnan natin ano yung magiging reading. So first, 4 of coins. Okay. Oops. Tingnan natin siya. 4 of coins. Yan. O, diba? Next card. Ooh, 9 of swords. Yeah. Okay. Third card. Temperance. Fourth card. 6 of cups. Fifth card. 6 of coins. Sorry, sixth card, 9 of cups. Oops. Okay. Seventh card, 9 of coins. And eighth card ay okay. Ace of swords. Oops, nakikita yung laban. Okay na yun. Okay, sige. So, and so I started with 4 coins and nag-end siya sa Ace of Swords. And as I mentioned, wealth, itong prosperity, in a sense, requires ng hard work, ng patience, ng hindi pagmamadali. Okay? So, tingnan natin. So, si Four of Coins, okay? So, si Four of Coins kasi medyo, yun nga, um, ito yung energy of masyadong possessive sa lahat ng bagay, masyadong um, controlling, di ba? I can sense here na siyempre lahat naman tayo gusto ng swerte sa buhay, di ba? Gusto natin na na-achieve natin yung mga goals natin. Okay? So, what I see here is yung pagiging possessive or pagiging greedy. Okay, yan. Four of Coins is also a card of greed. Medyo ingat. Ingat kayo kasi itong greed will not help sa success. Actually, it would be the reverse pa nga. Diba? So, okay lang mag-aim ng goals. Kapag may dumating na opportunity, grab siya, but don't be too greedy. Okay? So, alam niyo naman yung pagiging greedy, ano siya, minsan hindi lang sa inyo nakakasama, but also dun sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo. Okay? And greed ruins relationship. And for you to be able to be successful in your career and in other aspects of your money, luck, and finances, kuwari kung negosyo man siya, okay? Importante ang relationship, okay? Kasi kapag nakita nga nila na, uy, medyo greedy to medyo garapal to So, lalayo. Lalayo yung certain finances. So, if you have that tendency to be greedy, be aware, magkaroon ka ng self-awareness. Okay? Kasi as shown here by the Nine of Swords, yung Nine of Swords is a card of regret. Okay? So, huwag niyong hintayin na umabot pa dun sa point na yan. So, kung ngayon, na sense ninyo na okay, may pagiging gahaman or greedy. Kalma, try to reflect, try to sit, and iwasan ninyo yung ganung trait or alisin nyo siya sa character ninyo, sa trait ninyo. Why? Because here, this is the Nine of Swords. It is a card of regret. So, imbis na yung success dito, mag-flourish siya, okay? Maging prosperous kayo, it would be the other way around. Okay? Alright. Then, the Temperance card. So, the Temperance card is a card of moderation, balance. Okay? Kaya sinasabi dito, iwas sa pagiging greedy, but also, wag din masyadong parang relax. Okay? Dapat may balance talaga. Okay? Maging, maging ambisyoso din kayo in a positive way. Okay? Kung wari, goal ninyo na maging successful yung business. Pero kung masyado kayong relax, wala kayong ginagawa, wala kayong, hindi nyo ini-aim yung um, success ng negosyo or sa career ninyo, di ba? Okay na kayo sa position or sa designation ninyo. pero may opportunity for you to be promoted, okay? Or to be given a project that will provide or give you commission or bonus. Pero parang, ay, okay na ako dito. Ayoko na yan, di ba? So, wala kayong ambition, di ba? So, but pag masyado ng greedy naman, di ba? Walang balance, okay? Magkakaroon ng um, delay dun sa um, prosperity na meron dapat kayo. Okay, so dapat balance siya. So temperance is a card of balance. So dapat balance ang ambitions nyo, ang goals nyo, ang mga aims, dreams, but hindi siya dapat dumating sa point na magiging gahaman kayo. Okay? Alright, so si Six of Cups naman. Okay? So, I can sense here na um, there's once na ito nagkaroon siya ng balance, everything will fall into place. Okay? There will be um ano yun, ma-realize nyo in the mga in the past lesson learned. Baga, 'di ba? May mga lesson learned kayo na magagamit ninyo for you to be able to really move forward pa dun sa opportunities sa growth ng money and ng finances ninyo. Okay? And six of points. Ayan na. So, yung taas is parang sinasabi ni universe na ito yung kailangan yung gawin for you to achieve this energy. Okay? So, si Six of Coins, okay, once na nagawa nyo na daw to, okay, you will be reciprocated. What does it mean? So, kapag nagawa nyong balansehin ang ambition at uh, yung values ninyo, di ba? Okay? Once na balance na siya at ginagawa nyo na ng tama, okay? Yung intention is pure intention, positive intention, wala kayong sinasagasaan din na ibang tao, ibang um, mga bagay. Okay? So if the intention is positive, as the Virgin energy uh, has, okay, intention siya di ba? Intention. So if it's pure, good, okay, and very positive intention, reciprocate kayo ni universe. And Six of Coins is also a card of generosity, gratitude. Okay? Meaning, syempre, di ba? Hindi ka ba magpapasalamat kapag naging abundant na yung money and luck and finances mo? Di ba? So, again, use this as a guidance. Once this is okay na, it will lead to something na sobrang abundant. Okay? The universe will be generous to you. The universe will reciprocate all your hard work, all your efforts, di ba? Lahat ng mga ginawa mo to achieve it. Okay? Yung determination mo, dedication mo, perseverance, okay? Ibabalik yan sa iyo ng universe. As shown here by the Six of Coins. Okay? And the Knight of Cups shows here that there will be something unexpected na darating. Okay? There will be a surprise. So, it can be an unexpected promotion, diba? Unexpected sale. Okay? Or something na magugulat ka na lang, oh, may may kita pala tayo na ganito kalaki. Or biglang may project. Or you're in a business. May project kayo bigla na makuklose. May deal kayo bigla na makuklose na sobrang laki. Okay? So, Knight of Cups is an unexpected na opportunity or blessing na darating. And, diba, si Knight of Coins, diba? So, Knight of Coins or Pentacles, right, or money, diba? Is it will be something na would lead to a consistent cash flow ba? Okay? Pag tutuloy-tuloy na siya. Alright? So, yung mga blessings, once na ito masasabi mo na okay, wow, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, universe. Thank you sa lahat ng blessings. May ganung energy na siya. And as shown here by the Ace of Swords, okay, there will be a new beginning for you. New beginning in a sense na, okay, kung dati medyo naghihikaos ka or dati, di ba, puro struggle, siyempre, habang niluluto mo yung project or habang nagpupursige ka para mag-grow yung business or habang nagpupuyat ka ng ilang araw, okay, para ma-achieve mo yung mga um, deadlines mo, masubmit mo lahat, which will lead to your promotion, di ba? So everything will fall into place. There will be a new beginning for you. So it would be either a new position sa company or maybe a new job. Diba? Meron mo, porsido ka na, nag-apply ka, diba? So, tuloy-tuloy lang, masungkit mo yung um, job na yon na higher salary or again, if you're in a business, diba? Ma-approve na yung project na ini-aim mo, di ba? Or kayo yung mapili na supplier, di ba? So, ayan. Again, this one, yung mga nabanggit ko kanina, ng mga kailangang baguhin, awareness, alisin nyo siya, put a balance, okay? And that balance, the right intention, never will, would lead to something positive. Yun yung swerte na darating. Okay? Ang swerte hindi lang siya hinihintay, bumagsak sa mga kamay ninyo. Ang swerte, darating yan, ipagkakalob ng universe sa inyo kapag nakikita din niya na nag-e-effort kayo. Okay? Oak is a card of wealth, again, and patience. So, kailangan patient kayo. Dapat makita din ng universe yun na hindi kayo attack, hindi kayo nagmamadali, hindi kayo parang, di ba? Parang ganon. So, oak, wealth, and patience, Virgin. Okay? Inspiration and intention. Okay? And everything will fall into place. Okay, so sana nakatulong to. And take note, ang strongest energy na nasasagap sa reading na to ay Sagittarius. So pwedeng yung sign niyo ay Sagittarius. Not just yung sun, baka pwedeng yung moon and rising ninyo. Okay? So, sana nakatulong ito. Again, hindi naman siya just for Sagittarius. Yun lang yung strongest energy na nasasagap dito, but it can be any other sign naman. Especially lahat din nung there's coin, there's swords, okay, and there's cups, suit. So, pwedeng air sign, okay, pwedeng water sign, and pwedeng earth sign din. Okay? So, air sign is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, earth sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and then water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. And again, this is a very special reading. Tingnan natin kung makagawa pa ng mga ganito pang reading. Money and luck. Okay? So sana nakatulong. Kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang reading. Babalik tayo sa love reading, okay? Ay, dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno. On short mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat.